everybody, this is Homelessville Productions here, and as you can see, I'm on a call right now. I'm going to pick up my brother from a dance, but while we're at it, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update on another EAS scenario I am planning. I'm just gonna cover this. I hope this video doesn't get copyrighted because of the music playing in the background. But anyways, so I'm thinking consistently about another scenario about to be I don't know, but I'm thinking about EAS scenario freezing Earth. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so the trailer might be premiere tomorrow morning, or if not, for sure tomorrow afternoon. And so I'm coming out with y'all another EAS scenario. Just the one thing I do not know yet is I don't know when is it gonna come out. That's the thing. So yeah. So that was just a quick update.